More often than not, affiliate marketers, especially those who are just starting out, are looking for ways to increase traffic instead of focusing on what they already have and getting more out of it. Did you know that acquiring a new customer can cost 5 times more than retaining an existing customer? If you will increase retention just by 5%, you will increase your profit by at least 25%. In some cases, even up to 95%. The success rate of selling to an existing customer is much higher than selling to a new one. My name is Vitaly, and welcome to the Affiliate Marketing Hacks series here on Nichehacks YouTube channel, where we teach people like you to become financially independent by building a sustainable income online. Today, I want to talk to you about 6 hacks on how to sell more through your website, or how to convert more clients and how to retain more of them. Hacks that you can implement today to start making way more. I have been in affiliate marketing since 2009 and made my share of mistakes along the way. In the beginning, I focused on generating more traffic instead of working with my existing traffic. Here is one example. I was generating leads through Google AdWords and I was spending hundreds of thousands a month. I was profitable by selling my leads directly to buyers through affiliate networks. I made around 15 to 20% in profit and was looking for options to grow my incoming traffic instead of focusing on hundreds of thousands of customers that I already had in the form of an email. Eventually, networks cut revenue share and started to pay less by around 25% on average, and I started losing money. This made me look into options. And with the help of my future partner, I quickly realized that we could make way more money through email marketing. We lowered our income volume by about 10 times and grew our profits by more than 5 times. This was crazy and mind-blowing for us at that time. If you're making money through affiliate marketing and doing nothing to build an audience and not working on retention, you're leaving tons of money on the table. If you're going to implement at least some of the hacks that I will share with you today, you're going to start making way more. Are you ready? Let's get started then. And hack number 1, don't send traffic directly to affiliate offers. Never send traffic directly to affiliate offers, even if you will make more money by doing so. Let me explain why. When you send traffic straight to the offer, you lose that client. You may have profitable campaigns, but you're losing the opportunity to work with that client in the future. Remember what I said in the beginning of this video? It costs up to 5 times more to acquire a new client than to retain an existing client. It means that if you, for example, is spending $10 on each sale or lead to acquire that client, you would spend $2. Just $2 to convert the same client over and over in the future. And if you're making, for example, $12 on average and keeping just $2 from each sale, that's your profit. By converting existing client, you would keep $10 from all future sales. Do you see the difference? Of course, not all of the clients will convert in the future, but if you will build your audience and you will carefully work with them by providing value and converting them at the right time by recommending great offers, you will be able to make a fortune. Hack number 2, send traffic to a landing page and use A/B tests. There are many tactics that you can use for converting traffic, and only one of them is a landing page. Many still don't understand what a landing page is, thinking it's just a website. Technically, it is a website, but the landing page is something much more narrow than just a website. A landing page is a single page website. A landing page has just one goal, which is to convert your visitors into sales or leads. The entire content on the page should have just one goal, to convert that visitor. Some say long landing pages work better than short, and some say the opposite. From my personal experience, it depends on the niche. I would always test long versus short and see which one converts better for you. I would also test picture versus video. I would test many different headlines, descriptions, and call to actions. The best A/B test tool, in my opinion, is VWO.com. Easy to use, simple to create tests and track results. Test one element at a time. If you run multiple, you may ruin your test because you won't know for sure what exactly affected the result. I would start with a headline, then test CTA, maybe then image or a video, then everything else. If you're doing lead generation, I would also test the form. Option 1 would be to have one field on a landing page and test that with the page where you have no field, just the button. In my experience, the best way is to start with one field, which is email, then go to the next step, and even if you lose that visitor, you have their email and can bring them back. This is where you can use my next hack. Hack number 3, use email automation. Email automations is one of the best ways to work with your potential clients. Any kind of automations is great, right? You're sleeping and email marketing software is working non-stop to convert clients for you, meaning you're making money while sleeping. It sounds like a dream, but this is a simple reality, not even close to rocket science. So, as I said in my first hack, never send traffic directly to someone's affiliate offer. Always put it through your landing page or something that will help you to collect their emails. Use that email to engage with your potential clients through email automation. First, you should build automation for your marketing campaigns to warm the audience for the first time and to convert them to your offer on the later stage. I would do 5 to 7 emails that will go out within 7 days. In the first 3 or 4 emails, I would focus on real value, deliver that value, help them. Then, if you do sequences of 7 emails, I would make soft pitch around maybe 4th or 5th email, then provide another piece of value and make a hard sale on the 7th. If they didn't convert, I will do another 1 or 2 emails with promotions. This works if you can get some sort of promotional offer from your affiliate partner. If not, I would find something that has the best match and try to convert them to a similar product or service. If they don't convert, I would add them to a separate segment, and this is when my next hack comes in handy. Hack number 4, build segments and provide value and gain trust. If your client didn't convert, it doesn't mean that he won't convert in the future. I can tell you if your client gave you his email in the first place. Of course, if you did a good job with your messaging, this means that he's interested in the solution for his problem, right? I would invest in this segment, in those potential clients, by providing more value to them. You can provide value by sending them a good text content inside the email. You can create videos and send those visitors outside of the email to your YouTube channel, maybe Facebook group or Instagram page, and provide more value through your social media channels. And you can make them subscribe to your blog or to your channels if you have them. And if you don't, you should start one. This way, you're going to start building a relationship with your clients around your name or around your brand. Build trust, provide value to build guilt. Then, as Gary Vaynerchuk says, hook them or convert them. If you didn't read Gary's book, Job, Hook, I really recommend you to read it. By building a long-term relationship with that client, you should create a lot of opportunities to sell. And you should use those opportunities, but be careful. It takes a lot of time to gain trust, but you can make one simple mistake to lose that client and to kill the relationship. People trust people more than they trust brands. This is why it's a good idea to build personal relationships. YouTube is one of the best tools to do that. It's a great way to engage with your potential clients and with your current clients and to convert them. Why? Because on YouTube, you can build a very tight relationships, like personal relationships with your audience. They trust you and will follow your advice. Hack number 5, use quizzes to build an email list. Another great hack is to use quizzes on your website. Usually quizzes works best on a landing page that was built just for quiz. A marketing campaign should also be focused on the quiz. Quizzes are best when they provide real value. For example, you're offering people to find out if they're capable of something, or if they can figure something out, or if they're smarter than a 5th grader. I'm sure you've seen so many quizzes and went through some of them. I've heard some of the quizzes have conversion rates as high as 80%. This is very high. I've never done these, but 20 to 50% conversion rate would be a realistic target to hit. Start with thinking about what kind of quiz could work for your potential customer. If, for example, you want to promote a product around weight loss, focus on something they struggle with, a common issue. Everyone knows how to lose weight. There's no lack of information, but they don't have the discipline to follow that information. So one of the ideas for your quiz could be, do you know weight loss do's and don'ts? Create your own crazy ideas. Force yourself to make 10 ideas in 10 minutes. Then pick 2 or maybe 3, do research and create quizzes using a tool like typeform.com or another quiz software. Make sure that at the end, you don't reveal the results and instead ask them for an email so you can email them their quiz results. Connect your email marketing software to Typeform and automate the whole process. If you don't know how to do that, Google and YouTube are great sources to help you. And hack number 6, sell through your blog posts. This is my last hack for today's video. There are many more hacks that I will share in the future, so make sure you subscribe to this channel and press that bell button if you're interested in affiliate marketing and want to learn hacks and tricks. I'm going to share one affiliate marketing hack every week. Now, let's talk about our last hack. Here's how it works. You write a good blog post with a good amount of value. If you're selling something for weight loss, for example, write a good blog post about, maybe provide them step-by-step instruction on how to lose weight in 6 months. Give them real value. But then at the end of the blog, you should speak about your offer. Make CTA, call to action. Let's say it's a course. Speak about this course in a way that's not salesy. For example, you can say, not everyone has discipline to take action for 6 months straight, but this course will help you to solve your discipline issues by doing this and that. You got the idea. Then you create an ad on Facebook that says something like, learn how to lose weight in 10 easy steps, and send that traffic to your blog post. Then, this is a bonus hack. You add a retargeting pixel to your blog post and show them ads of your offer if they didn't convert. This is not hard to set up, but it will take time to figure out. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you learned something useful. If you did, smash that like button and implement that hacks today. Don't wait till tomorrow. Take action now. That's the best thing you can do. Take action and improve what you have today. That's it. See you in my next video.